Are you on a mission to embrace a healthier lifestyle and shed those stubborn pounds? Well, you're in for a treat. Here in this video, we'll unveil the top 5 mouth-watering plant-based recipes for weight loss that not only tantalize your taste buds but also support your weight loss goals. Whether you're a seasoned plant-based enthusiast or just curious about this vibrant lifestyle, these recipes will leave you craving for more. So let's dive right in and savor the flavor while shedding the pounds. The video is going to be interesting and valuable, so make sure to subscribe to our channel now and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Now let's get started. Number 5. Zesty Quinoa Salad with Lemon Tahini Dressing. Are you looking for a satisfying and nutrient-packed meal that can help you lose weight? Look no further than our Zesty Quinoa Salad with Lemon Tahini Dressing. This vibrant salad combines the goodness of quinoa, a protein-rich grain, with refreshing cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and the aromatic charm of fresh herbs like parsley and mint. But wait, there's more! The real star of this show is the delightful lemon tahini dressing that drapes the salad with a zesty and creamy goodness. Packed with healthy fats and mouth-watering flavors, this salad is a perfect companion for your weight loss journey. Number 4. Spicy Chickpea and Sweet Potato Buddha Bowl. Are you searching for a hearty and satisfying meal that won't weigh you down? Look no further than our Spicy Chickpea and Sweet Potato Buddha Bowl. This power-packed bowl brings together the protein punch of chickpeas, the sweet goodness of roasted sweet potatoes, and an array of colorful vegetables. With a tantalizing blend of spices, this bowl is a flavor explosion that will keep you coming back for more. Not to mention, it's a nutritional powerhouse, keeping you satiated and energized throughout the day. As the sweet potatoes are lower in calories and higher in fiber than traditional white potatoes, making them a great choice for weight loss. So why wait? Dive into this Buddha bowl and watch your taste buds and waistline rejoice. Number 3. Cauliflower Rice Stir Fry. Are you craving the comforting flavors of a stir-fry but trying to keep your carb intake in check? We've got the perfect solution for you: cauliflower rice stir-fry. This ingenious recipe swaps traditional rice with cauliflower rice, giving you a low-calorie alternative without sacrificing taste or texture. Sautéed with a medley of colorful vegetables and aromatic garlic and ginger, this stir-fry is a symphony of flavors. When your body receives the nutrients it needs, you are less likely to crave unhealthy foods, making it easier to stick to a weight loss plan. The best part? You can indulge in this guilt-free delight, knowing you're fueling your body with nutrient-rich ingredients while supporting your weight loss goals. Number 2. Creamy Spinach and Artichoke Pasta. Are you a pasta lover trying to stay on track with your weight loss journey? Fear not. Our creamy spinach and artichoke pasta is here to satisfy your cravings without any guilt. This luscious dish swaps heavy cream and cheese for a creamy sauce made from plant-based milk and nutritional yeast, which adds a delightful cheesy flavor without the extra calories. With vibrant spinach and artichoke hearts, this pasta is a nutritional gem that keeps you feeling full and nourished. So indulge in this plant-powered goodness and relish each creamy bite. Number 1. Berrylicious Chia Seed Pudding. Who says weight loss can't be sweet and delightful? Our Berrylicious Chia Seed Pudding proves otherwise. This delectable and easy-to-make dessert is not only a treat for your taste buds, but also a nutritional powerhouse. Chia seeds are tiny wonders, packed with fiber and healthy omega-3 fatty acids. When combined with plant-based milk and a touch of natural sweetness, they transform into a creamy and indulgent pudding. Top it with a colorful medley of fresh mixed berries, and you've got a dessert that's as pleasing to the eyes as it is to your health. So dig into this guilt-free delight and let the chia seeds work their magic on your weight loss journey. There you have it, the top 5 plant-based recipes for weight loss that are as delicious as they are nutritious. Whether you're a seasoned plant-based enthusiast or new to this vibrant lifestyle, these recipes will leave you feeling satisfied, energized, and excited to continue your journey towards a healthier you. Remember, embracing a plant-based lifestyle is not just about losing weight, but also about nourishing your body with nutrient-rich, whole foods that support your overall well-being. These recipes are just the beginning of the delicious possibilities that await you in the world of plant-based cuisine. So, why not embark on this flavorful adventure and see for yourself the wonders that plant-based recipes can do for your health and weight loss goals? Let your taste buds guide you, and enjoy the journey to a healthier, happier you. That is the end of today's video. Thank you for joining us. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Until we meet again, experience the magic of these plant-based recipes. Make sure to hit the like button and follow us for more amazing videos. Thank you.